Okay, this is like day maybe 17 or so of deciding to just be a musician. And just got back from Heavenly Sounds recording studio. Um, it was this dude, G Rag, that I met at an open mic, and we just went and jammed, and we came out with a song like lickety split. So I'm just going to play it because it's awesome. Doesn't have any words yet, but we'll see. He likes the thump.